What's going on, guys? It's Chaos Hunt here. Today we're back to a new unboxing video by a company called Pictek. It's a wired mechanical keyboard. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. So guys, the link will be in the description for this keyboard. And if you haven't seen my previous keyboard video, there will be a link in my description. This one's just a bit longer, which has the number keys on the side. So you get the bit to take the actual keys off, a user manual, and the actual keyboard. And the wire. So let's just put the box on the side. So guys, as you can see, this is a mechanical keyboard. It doesn't have a numpad, but I prefer it without it. Some people prefer it with it. And then right here's the thing to take out your keys. So just put it in, and then you can just pull it. So these are blue switched ones, and yeah, so it does come with a manual. It's just in the box. And yeah, let's go move on to the pros and cons now. So guys, moving on to the pros. So this is priced at $37.99, so it's very cheap. So anyone who wants to buy something not too expensive, like razors and stuff, 100 plus, this is the best thing for you. It has 7 different modes, and I'll show you that in a second. So you can customize the different types of lighting. Like I said, it's got quite a good price to it, and it has blue switches. So if I just show you over here, so I put the key in, so it's got a blue switch there. So if you like the clicky feels, and when you're playing, you like all the clicky stuff, it's quite good for you. And you can speed up the backlight and the changing colours, and you can increase the brightness, and it doesn't need any software. You just plug it into your laptop or preferably your PC, and it will just turn on. There's shortcut keys for like your media and stuff, so like volume up and down, etc, play and pause, but the multimedia doesn't work on Mac iOS. And the cons are, if you see this colour, underneath it's yellow, but it just looks like a very dark gold, so I wish it was a bit more bright. So let me just show you the different colours. So it's like this, and then if this is one, there's one like that, and then there's one like this, and then that's just a normal one, and then there is FM, FPS. So this is just the ones you probably mainly play with. For instance, say like with Rainbow, for instance, you would mainly use these keys, and if you want to use them. And then I think you can use yeah. So this is just some additional keys, and yeah. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you lot in the next video. And there might be a video of me showing which one is better, this Pictek keyboard or the previous keyboard video I made. And yeah, I'll see you lot in the next video.